coughing suddenly? Ever wondered why your body does this? Your lungs send a signal to your brain, then boom, you cough automatically. Water can help calm a cough. It soothes your throat instantly. Cough won't stop? Let's see what actually helps. First natural remedy, honey. It soothes your throat and reduces cough. Warm tea or warm water helps too. It relaxes your throat muscles. For strong cough, doctors may recommend cough syrup. Always follow proper medical advice. Cough is actually your body's defense. It clears germs and dust from your lungs. Stay hydrated and rest well. Subscribe to Dr. Cool for more health tips.